Hello everyone, my name is Sanjana Sharma and I have passed out from class 12th and I secured a 5th position in Jammu division and I got 98.2% with science stream. So first of all, thanks to my parents, those who able me to admit into SP Smart School, because the level of education doesn't matter, but the actual matter is that how much quality education you get. So I want to thank all SP Smart teachers that during this COVID-19 situation, still I got many opportunity to show my talent. And I want to thank all teachers who dedicatedly respond to all my questions, no matter how many times I ask my questions to them, no matter how many time I ask them to question. And so thank you all the teachers and of course my parents, those actually admitted me into SP Smart School. The system of SP Smart education was quite different from other schools because in this situation, no matter whatever the situation is, our studies really don't affect, because the regular tests of our school has organized and regular counseling of students has also happened during vacations as well. So I want to thank all the teachers. No, I think the charges are quite valid, because the charges are according to the level of education that is provided in SP Smart School. So there is nothing like that charges are too much, or there is extra amount of charges that we have to pay in order to get education in SP Smart School. Initially I thought that tuitions are required and something like that, but once I entered into SP Smart School, I thought there is nothing called tuitions and all, because we really don't have time in SP Smart to get tuitions and all, because the teachers are quite dedicated. They provide us regular assignments, homework and tests, everything. So there is no any chance to get tuitions, and I think overall education system of SP Smart School is quite well.
My name is Bhumika Malhotra. I have completed my 12th standard from SP Senior Secondary School and I have secured 97.8% in my 12th board examination. The credit for my achievement goes to my school administration, my teachers, parents and my siblings too, because all of them helped me a lot in my studies. So as we all know that during the pandemic time, we have faced so many difficulties. So whenever I feel any difficulty or perplexion related to any subject, I used to consult the particular teacher. He or she used to solve their problem by the best way. And we were provided assignments and question paper with answer sheets on which we can write and prepare for our board examination, and this helped me a lot in building up my writing potentialities. So if as I am a student of SP Smart School, so my view is that we don't need any tuition if we are studying in SP Smart School, because the teaching skills of teacher are very nice and excellent, and we were free to ask our doubts 100 times if it's not clearing to us.
First of all, मैं स्कूल मैनेजमेंट कमेटी, मैनेजमेंट स्टाफ, टीचिंग स्टाफ, सबको मैं धन्यवाद बोलना चाहता हूँ कि जहाँ पर हमारे बच्चे सिक्योर रहे। 11th और 12th तक हमें कोई दिक्कत नहीं आई ऐसी कि हमारे बच्चे को ट्यूशन या किसी और किस्म की परेशानी का सामना करना पड़ा, ऐसी बात नहीं थी। तो मैं स्कूल वालों को यही कहना चाहता हूँ कि आपका बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद। बच्चे तो बहुत सारे स्कूल में पढ़ते हैं, मगर अपना अपना तरीका होता है स्कूल चलाने का या पढ़ाई कराने का, बच्चों को चलाने का, डिसिप्लिन दिखाने का। तो SP स्मार्ट स्कूल वालों को मैं धन्यवाद बोलना चाहता हूँ, यही कहना चाहता हूँ, बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद। और हमारी तरफ से शुभकामना, आपका स्कूल आगे बढ़े और जो भी बच्चा जहाँ है वो अच्छी तालीम हासिल करके जहाँ से जाए। थैंक यू सर।
My name is Bhumika Singh. I have studied 12th from SP Smart School. I have secured 10th position in 12th boards. I want to dedicate my result to my parents and also my institution, who have worked very hard in this pandemic, and they were very helpful to us during the pandemic. They supported us, they always made us comfortable and always motivated us to do our best in the exams. And I also want to thank my parents who have admitted in such a good institution to give me better education. Also, school has helped me in a lot in doing my best. They provide us notes time to time, and they also conduct weekly assessment tests, monthly assessment tests, which helps us to know what we have done and what we have studied now.
My name is Mehak Chaudhary. I studied in SP Smart School. I got 5th position in 12th class with 98.2%. I will dedicate my result to my parents and my teachers, the whole staff of our school. In the COVID-19, the school helped us a lot for preparing for the result for the board. कोविड-19 जैसे सिचुएशन में भी हमारे स्कूल ने हमें बहुत हेल्प की. हमें लॉकडाउन में भी नोट्स प्रोवाइड किए और हमारे टीचर्स थे जो हमारी ऑनलाइन क्लासेस रेगुलरली लेते थे और बहुत सारी हमारी हेल्प करते थे, डाउट क्लियर करते थे. उन्होंने हमारी बहुत सारी हेल्प की है हमारा रिज़ल्ट लाने में. जो स्कूल का सिस्टम है वो काफ़ी बहुत अच्छा है. हमारे स्कूल में स्टार्टिंग में जब हम गए थे तब तो हमें लगता था कि बहुत स्ट्रिक्ट है, लेकिन आस्ता आस्ता हमें रियलाइज़ हुआ कि ये सब जो है वो हमारे बेटरमेंट के लिए है. स्कूल ने हमारी काफ़ी हेल्प की है. मींस कि हमारे जो टीचर्स थे, पूरा स्टाफ जो था वो बहुत ही हमारी केयर करता था और एकदम मतलब हमें घर जैसा फील होता था स्कूल में भी. सेल्फ स्टडी इज़ मोर इम्पॉर्टेंट बिकॉज जो ट्यूशन्स कोचिंग वगैरह होती है वो वेस्ट ऑफ टाइम है. अगर हमें पढ़ना होता है तो हम खुद भी बहुत अच्छा पढ़ सकते हैं बिकॉज हमारे टीचर्स जो है वो बहुत हेल्प करते हैं हमारी पढ़ने में. तो इससे अच्छा कोचिंग वगैरह लेने से या ट्यूशन्स लेने से अच्छा हम स्कूल पे फोकस करें और अपनी सेल्फ स्टडी पे फोकस करें. बाकी स्टूडेंट्स के लिए ये मैसेज है कि वो अपनी जो स्टडी है उस पर फोकस करें. मींस कि स्टार्टिंग से पढ़ना स्टार्ट करें और अपने जो भी डाउट्स वगैरह आते हैं वो अपने टीचर्स से क्लियर करें. टीचर्स हमारी बहुत हेल्प करते हैं.
Good morning to all. Myself Riya Sharma. I am from Commerce stream. I feel great pleasure to be in the merit list with 97.6%. I really want to thank my parents, teachers, friends and all those who supported me a lot in achieving this great success. I feel very proud to be a part of SP Smart School. The teachers are so cooperative and hardworking. They never hesitate in clearing the doubt of a student until and unless it is clear to them. The discipline of the school is quite excellent. Students are required to follow the school rules. No student is allowed to leave the class without prior permissions. The school doesn't allow students to take tuitions. Yeah, it's correct because the teachers teach us with their full efforts, and whatever is being taught, if we listen it with our full concentration and revise it accordingly, the need for tuition doesn't arise. The fee structure of the school is not so expensive with the facilities provided to us. Schools provide us with the handwritten notes. During the situation of COVID-19, the school contributed a lot by providing online videos and audios so that there should be no interruption in the education of students. The most unique thing I really liked about the school is VAT, MAT and foundation blocks, which contributed a lot in preparing the students for their final examination. Thank you.